Hello, good morning, everyone. My name is Karthikeyan Ramasamay. I'm the Deputy Program Director for Applied Energies at Los Alamos National Lab. Today is my 1 month anniversary at Los Alamos. I joined Los Alamos October 7th. Here I get a fantastic opportunities to represent LANL as well as network with everyone in the New Mexico state to further enhance our applied energy program at Los Alamos. I don't think I can add too much from Charles' lab because both labs are NNSA weapons labs. So we do quite a bit of work, very similar work between Sandia and Los Alamos. There are some variations. We have our core capabilities, but when you look at it in a big picture, our both labs focus around delivering national security solutions. So a couple of the numbers I want to point out here is the number of staffs at LANL is around 18,000 people. Out of that, we have 2,000 students and around 500 postdocs. Quite an extensive number of early career staff members that LANL is proud to, take on this many students and postdocs to develop the future, engineers and scientists, and beyond the careers, beyond STEM as well. Also, the one other statistic I want to point out is the number of staff members, around 39, almost 40% of the staff members from LANL is from New Mexico, born in New Mexico. So that was striking to me when I saw that number. So that shows that LANL provides importance towards how much, on the local communities and then how much they want to support New Mexico and then grow the community beyond. So very similar to Sandia, I think we can define it in 3 different areas: nuclear deterrence, non-pro and counter-proliferation, and cross-domain deterrence. That's where all the applied energy program comes in. So all the non-classified work primarily focused around global energy solutions, science and climate and cyber and counter and weapons of mass destruction. Everything comes in this program. So that's where our small program, compared to the whole lab, which is a $5.5 billion lab annually, the science and engineering program maybe, including fundamental science, maybe around $250 to $300 million program. So it's, when you look at the bigger pie, it's a very small, but we make a huge impact. You don't hear too much about this. They cannot publish program, right? Journal articles or anything, but in the small programs, we make quite a bit of an impact by publishing papers, bringing in students across the nations, and then make a lot of impacts in this space. LANL contributes to quite extensive applied energy programs. I think here I listed 5 of them. That's where we play major roles. I think carbon management and geothermal power. I think my colleague Alante is here, so she's going to talk quite extensively in the next session. On hydrogen and fuel cells program, LANL takes proud credit that we are the reason why DOE created hydrogen and fuel cell technology office, because we used to work around hydrogen propellant. And then later on in 1977, after the second oil embargo, we moved into ground transportation, and then we were able to influence them to create a program on hydrogen and fuel cell office for ground transportation. We do work quite a bit on energy infrastructure. I think a lot of leadership role on Sandia. We contribute quite extensively in that space, particularly in the microgrid space. And then clean fuels and products. I think LANL primarily works on biological side. So we have quite a bit of expertise in the human genome on how the nuclear impacts humans, but we take that knowledge and expertise into these biofuels by moderating and changing genomics in the algae and other biological systems to create fuels and products. And then same geothermal and carbon management, you'll hear more from my colleague a little bit later. So like Representative Dixon said, collaboration is very, very critical here. So we do collaborate quite extensively. What this slide shows is the multiple consortium that Los Alamos is part of. Some of them we lead, some of them we contribute to the leaders in this consortium. This is the National Lab-led consortium. This shows the national level, how we contribute, how we collaborate across the nations with multiple different national labs. I don't think I need to go into iWest. I think most of you know about it. Same here with Four Corners. I think I see representation from Four Corners. Someone will talk quite extensively on that space as well. But both areas, LANL contributes and then showcase our community engagement and then our interest in contributing to the local communities and the regional levels. Also, regarding the regional partners, I think it's not a comprehensive list. You can see quite a bit of collaboration that's listed in carbon management space, hydrogen fuel cell space, and also in the energy infrastructure. So what we want to do is we want to continue and strengthen these collaborations and grow further to solve challenges in the sustainable energy space. I think there are quite a bit of extensive opportunities potentially coming from DOE, particularly on the energy earth shots that's been announced last year. There's a lot of funding opportunities there where we can collaborate and make real world solutions. Same with the energy commercial, DOE commercial liftoff reports, where DOE is more focused on technology that's developed in labs. It's all lab scale. So they want to see how we can take it to a commercial level by developing partnerships, there will be funding opportunities in that space as well. So I'll leave it here. So, and then I look forward to talking to you more during the next 2 days. And then thank you very much for providing me this avenue to, celebrate my first month anniversary. Thank you.